What's up, buds? It is Fly High FPV. I got all your Tango 2's going out, heading out right now, fast as fuck. I had a bunch of last minute orders, but you know, I'm pushing the limit. I'm gonna get them out to you today. Same day ordered, same day they got here. They right back at you. If you need Tango 2's or Tango 2 accessories or all kinds of good shit, man, the Xmas sale's still on sale right now. 2 more days. That means you can get Crossfire and Unify and lots of TBS stuff that never goes on sale is actually on sale right now because I'm the only one that's going to do it. Come out to flyhighfpv.com and get you some. Also, Tango 2's, holy shit, they're going fast as fuck. Half of them are already gone. If you want one, order it now, please. Don't come at me like, you know, where's my Tango 2, Dave? I'm like, dude, they're fucking fast as fuck, bro. Happy holidays and Happy New Year's, motherfuckers.